Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title, A Comprehensive Guide to Machine Learning with Scikit-Learn, Python's Powerhouse Library. Introduction. Machine learning has become an integral part of data science and artificial intelligence, enabling computers to learn patterns and make predictions from data. Among the plethora of Python libraries available for machine learning, Scikit-Learn stands out as a versatile and powerful tool. In this tutorial, we will explore the key features of Scikit-Learn and provide code examples to help you kickstart your machine learning journey. Make sure you have Python installed on your system. You can install Scikit-Learn using the following command. Once installed, import Scikit-Learn into your Python script or Jupyter notebook using. Scikit-Learn offers a variety of machine learning algorithms. For example, let's choose the popular support vector machine, SVM, classifier. Scikit-Learn provides a robust and user-friendly environment for machine learning tasks. In this tutorial, we covered the basic machine learning workflow and explored some advanced features. Experiment with different algorithms, tune hyperparameters, and continue learning to master the art of machine learning with Scikit-Learn. Happy coding! ChatGPT.